Welcome back everyone. Today I will show you how to make your Windows 11 desktop look absolutely stunning with the Blue Flux theme. If you are bored with the default Windows look and want something modern, clean and futuristic, then this customization is perfect for you. In this video, we will go step by step to install the Blue Flux theme and transform your Windows 11 into a beautiful new style. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in simple and easy steps so anyone can follow along. By the end of this video, your Windows 11 look fresh and completely different. So make sure to watch till the end and let's start customizing your Windows 11. And that's it. Your Windows 11 has the amazing Blue Flux look. I hope this tutorial helped you make your Windows 11 more beautiful and modern. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel for more Windows customization, themes and tech tips. If you have any question or problems, feel free to comment below. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.